Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Basics. Today I'm going to guide you on how to log into your Cohere Health account on your website. So let's get started. First of all, open your web browser and navigate to Cohere Health Login. You can do this by typing Cohere Health Login. Now click on Login Cohere. After that, you will be directed to login page of Cohere. If you have created your account with your Google, then click on Google, or if you have created your account with GitHub, click on GitHub. Or you can simply type your email address and your password, then click on Login. Cohere login page also facilitates you to retrieve your password in case you have forgotten it. Just click on Forgot Password. Or if you are a new user to Cohere, you can create a new account by clicking on Sign Up. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share.